Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about user-defined keywords and resource files in robotic framework. How we can able to define these user keywords means there are three ways: without arguments, with argument, with return values. These three kind of ways we can able to create our user-defined keywords by using existing keywords. Okay, we know already that robot framework is supports keyword driven framework, right? Because I explained in this starting of the video when going to do for some introduction for this robotic framework. That moment I explained that default it will support for keyword driven, means we have some keywords and using that keywords we can able to do it, right? The same format now we are going to see here. Open browser and I'm going to use for google.com. First we'll do for google.com. Okay, now URL I'm passing and Chrome is the browser. Maximize the browser and then I need to enter input text into that particular browser. I know already expert, that's why I'm going to use for name equal to Q and I'm passing for Lokesh is the one, and then I'm going to use for sleeping for 2 seconds, then I'm closing my browser. Okay, this operation I'm going to do it for here. It's a plain text. If you enter, then it is by default it will provide, and you can able to see now. If you enter now, it's a plain text. There is no without arguments, with arguments. Even I'm not created any user defined keywords. Just I created one test case, small test case, and I provide the value of that. Okay. Now you can able to see, right? Now we need to create keywords. Keywords is basically for storing the user keywords information here. For that we are using keywords, and here I need to take browser, opening browser. Okay, for open browser key, and inside that I'm going to creating these two lines. I'm going to copy and pasting here. The same name I'm going to using here. Now I'm not used for Google and Chrome here. Directly I'm using this one, correct? But directly I'm using for open browser key. Now see how it will operate. Same previous how it is open the browser and inside the Chrome and do that operation. The same format it will do. But this one is without arguments. Without arguments we are passing. Now the value is passed and everything is passed, correct? Now how we can able to achieve for with argument. With argument is nothing but we can able to do it arguments. Then I need to pass here dollar and I need to use for URL. Okay, and also you can able to pass for dollar, and you can able to, if you have two parameter in the open browser, if you want to one only you need to pass that also you can able to use it, no issues. And in my case I'm passing for two values. Now these values I'm going to marking up here, this also marking up here. Okay, now if you go into the top, it is now you can able to see it is a mandatory arguments are missing browser. It is taking the URL. Mandatory argument is missing. Okay, and it is asking for arguments to pass. Now I'm going to copy paste again Google. Now again see and Chrome. Now it is that error message is gone. Previous it is showing error, right? Now it is gone. Now again you can able to perform some operation, you can able to perform operation. Nothing fault. It's a with argument. Previous we saw that first we saw that plain text, plain test case, then after that without argument, without return, without any arguments, we pass that we created user defined keyword, then we pass that values and right. And second, third case we done for with argument and the return type and the values we are passed. And third case is with a return type, how we can able to return something the value whether this particular value is present. Even you can able to do any kind of operation, but if you want to do something, get title is the one. Get title, it will get the value, and I'm going to store for title. Okay, then I'm going to use for return keyword, and I'm going to pass this value. Okay, now I pass this value. It will return title. Now I'm here. It is enter the value. Correct. Now I need to the browser. It will return some return value. Again, I'm going to use here read value. Okay, it will read the value, and I'm going to use for log into the console this particular value, whether it is returning the value or not. Okay, now we can able to run and see. If it is written the value, it will give some value to that here. The title is Google. We need to see. So it is enter some value and it is closed, and even you can able to see the Google is the title. It returns and we are able to print the value. And everything is now it is going good, but one small thing like now you created with the return type and everything, and the same thing you want to use some other test cases. How? In this particular test case again and again we can't do, right? For do that we can able to create one particular source directory, another directory I'm going to create here for this resource directory. Inside the resource directory I'm going to create one file, that is robotic file. Resource dot robot directory. Okay, now I'm going to importing for this particular. Now I'm going to copy pasting here, and for this for getting and everything purpose we need to do for settings, and I need to do for libraries, Selenium libraries, then it will work out. Okay, after that we need to now we can able to see it is showing some user defined keyword is not presented. It is show throwing some error. Correct. Now how we can able to import means now there is a source. Resource is the library to importing for resource property, and also our project directory we are added for this one, correct? Resource directory. And for how we can able to find means dot dot forward slash. It will dot dot forward slash. It will indicate that location in the project directory. Then we can able to use for this resource, and we can able to resource dot robot framework. This is the file we can able to import. And once we import it, then you can able to see now that it is not showing any error. Okay, now we can able to run this one, and also you can able to say like anytime any other application place also you can able to use this resource keyword. In this resource keyword it will return the title, and also it will take the parameter for the URLs, and it will return for title of the particular URL. This all the things we can able to sort it out by using this resource file. We can able to store there, and reusable purpose also we can able to use. Okay, this is all about for user defined keywords and resource file. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues, and also comment of this video. Thank you.